an anonymous person who says, my lawyer mistakenly sent I-485 to family-based AOS lockbox instead of employment AOS lockbox in Dallas. Now, starting February, they will only accept application on final action dates. I'm filing based on filing dates. It's been 3 weeks already. What will happen? Is there anything I can do? My checks haven't been cashed yet. What do you have to say, Ruby?
That's a very technical question, but like in theory, if something is sent to the wrong place or it's not the right, something's wrong, they usually reject it. And rejections can take, I've seen take 3 to maybe even 6 weeks sometimes. I've actually done a tour multiple times of the Dallas lockbox, and they open everything up, they look at the numbers, and they blah, blah, blah. But I would also check, okay, you don't have a receipt number. They didn't cash the checks, and it's been 3 weeks. And you probably already checked the FedEx or the mailing, and it wasn't, okay. I think I would probably give it another 1 to 2 weeks, and it'll probably be rejected and come back. I don't know off the top of my head if it'll get routed to the correct place. It probably won't. But in those cases, if something is sent to the wrong place, or something is deficient with it, then they reject it, and then it can take a little while, and then they'll just give you that rejection page, and then they'll just send that to you and the whole packet. Now, I get what your point is that you lost that opportunity because of the visa availability. There can sometimes be, with some great advocacy, being able to, if it's super worth it, there could maybe some advocacy to show when it was sent and trying to retain the priority date of when it was sent, but for the error. But given the situation, I think you have to look at the whole picture and see if it might just be worth just waiting another month for the visa to be current at the right time. I don't have that, what you're saying, memorized where it is and how, if it's backlogged, retrogressed and everything off the top of my head. But these are some things to consider. But rejections usually can take about 4 to 6 weeks usually, and if they haven't cashed it in like at least 4 weeks, then it's probably going to get rejected and it's probably going to be sent back.